You can make sweet red bean paste without sugar. How to make azuki koji fermented sweet bean paste. First, boil azuki beans for about 1 hour until they reach a moderate hardness. After boiling, let them cool down to a temperature of about 60 degrees Celsius. When the temperature reaches about 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, mix the azuki with rice malt. The amount of azuki beans and rice malt should be equal. Mix them until they are well mixed. If there is not enough water left over from boiling, add more lukewarm water. Adjust the amount of water according to your own preference for the hardness of the finished bean jam. If you like it softer, add more water. If you like it harder, add less water. After mixing well, put the rice into the rice cooker and keep it warm. The sweet red bean paste will be ready after about 7 to 8 hours of warming. Put the rice into the rice cooker. After a little while, check the inside of the rice cooker. If you feel that there is not enough moisture, add warm water. You can make adjustments later. This is the state of the rice cooker after about 7 hours. When you look at it, it was dry at first, but now it is well mixed with moisture and smells sweet and good. Now you have a sugar-free sweet red bean paste.